All right, we're going on a quick test drive here. We have 90,726 miles on the odometer. Now, if you see any flickering here, that's just in camera. That is not in person. This does have brand new tires installed on it. They are 305 40/22s all the way around. It's a square setup. So unfortunately, they do rub. They look crazy good though. And then here, I'm gonna be kind of quiet. You can hear hitting on the brake. Hear some squeaks. It looks like it's in the suspension there. Kind of creaks. Got a tinted front windshield. Probably 30% and then 5% on the sides. Good. The steering wheel is off a few degrees. If I put it about right there, that's straight, but it wants to kind of pull just a hair to that left. Not the actual vehicle pull, but the steering wheel is slightly off center. This thing sounds wicked with that exhaust. Lots of crackles. It's very, very windy, where I'd roll the windows down so you could hear it, but you'd hear just a bunch of wind noise. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Now, this has brand new tires on it. It is a square setup. So there's 305 40/22s on the front and the back. Now, the downside with going that massive is they do rub on the front. And then when you look at the back, they stick out and they're going to hit here. And you're going to look in there, if you can see, it's already rubbed through the paint, and then it's going to clip right here. So they're a little big for this. Very, very massive. You can see they stick out pretty decent, but they look amazing. Here on that front right wheel, it's in great condition. Looking at the caliper, you do have chips kind of peppered throughout. That wheel looks really, really good. Here on that fender, the flare, you can see some touch up in here. And then coming down here, there's some stuff kind of embedded into the paint. And there's a little fling there as well. Something, I don't know if it's glue or some sort of paint. Something's kind of stuck on there. That fender looks amazing. Here on the side mirror, overall nice and clean. That looks good. A-pillar's nice and clean. Dark tinted front windshield. Dark tinted side windows. Looking at that door, if you get close, you're going to have chips kind of peppered throughout that edge. Lower rockers looking good. Of course, when you get down here, you're going to see the PPF protecting that area here and right there. But when you get close to the edge, you're going to see the rock impacts where it was not protected. A few little scuffs. Now, this trim piece right here was painted, and you're going to see really heavy orange peel in it versus the paint there. See how pretty that paint is, the reflection. And then you get here on the flare, and you're going to start seeing all the orange peel. Then you get up here in that paint, nice and pretty. So lots of texture and orange peel on this piece. Not a lot of clarity. You can't see any reflection in it like you could up here. Overall, that area looks good. Upper section looks nice. And then looking at that wheel, overall in great condition. And you can see in here, that looks good. Checking out the front end here on the headlight lenses. Couple of flaws on the lens, but overall the clarity looks really good. Yes, a little touch up here and there. Blends in really well with that white. Got a chip there. If you look here, there is some cracking on that paint, and it looks like corrosion. A lot of texture underneath. Some sort of corrosion under there in this little spot only. The rest of that looks good. Hood looks nice. Clarity on that lens, it's in great condition. Now you do have typical rock impacts. You have little touch up throughout that front. Looks like some touch up kind of dripped right there. Couple gashes. You do have the holes drilled here for the license plate. Overall in great condition, especially for the mileage. Typical flaws there. You can see how far that sticks out. Fender looks good. You have some chips in that area. Looking at that wheel, super clean. Typical rock impacts and wear on that lower rocker. That door looks good. Mirror's nice and clean. Now this does have a Carfax report here on this side. So that door has been painted. The fender flare has been painted. This quarter panel all the way up has been painted, as well as the rear bumper. So when you look around the car, if you get in that right lighting, you're gonna see the trash in the paint, the little dimples. Now color-wise, I think they did a great job. It blends in really well. But of course, with anything, you get up close and you start looking, you're gonna see those little dimples kind of peppered throughout. Like I said, this was all painted. They did a great job there. If you open the door and you feel in here, you are going to have the tape line. So you can see that. And then looking in the jamb right here, you can see that hard paint line. See that? So it got masked off right there. So just kind of showing you all of that. Like I said, all that has been painted. So when you look down here, you can still see the impacts, typical rock chips and things like that. Looking at the door as a whole though, overall in great condition. Same here, typical little chips on that edge. Looking at the wheel, that looks awesome. And when you look up close, you're gonna see kind of the orange peel in that light compared to the other side. But overall the color match looks good, and you got to get up super close to see any of that. Like I said, the back bumper has been painted. You're gonna see kind of little spots in here, little things of trash. It's very subtle though. Corsa exhaust, black tips. Looking at the back bumper itself though, you're gonna see lots of wear on the edge, typical little scuffs. You're gonna see the chips. You have some markings here on that bumper. Looking at that back right bumper, it looks good. Taillights overall nice and clean. Here on the spoiler, looks good. They did a good job on the color match. You can tell it was done a while back too though, because it's already sustained typical kind of wear and tear. Really the spot that stands out the most is right here, because that has yellowed and it's not as bright white as the surrounding area. But for the mileage though, it's in great condition. Looks really good. Sounds awesome. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. Got the all black, looks really good. You do have a built-in passport radar. Really, really nice. A couple little scuffs here on the top side. Overall leather looks good. Carbon's in great condition. These buttons look good. Memory seating. All of that looks really nice. That trim looks good. Typical wear on a floor mat, but still really, really nice. Getting up close, you're going to see a lot of wear on that edge, but the foam underneath is really nice. A lot of wear right here as well. Upper section looks good. Here on the steering wheel, for the most part, that's in great condition. A little shiny here and there. Looks good. Like I said, got the built-in passport. Got your light in there as well. Looking at that screen, really, really nice. Center console's clean. We'll see it on the other side, but looking at that dash, that's in great condition. These typically lift really bad. You do have some sun damage right here. You can see it's kind of dried out. For the most part, that looks good. Here on the front right door panel, upper section of the leather, that looks good. Carbon is all intact. That leather, super nice. A couple little marks here and there, but for the most part, that door panel looks good. Down here, you do have some scratches, and you are missing the little cover here, so you got the little holes left. Floor mats look good. That trim looks nice. Here on the seat, you do have a lot of wear right there. It looks like something was in their pocket and kind of chewed it up. Typical wrinkles, but the foam underneath is in great condition. Rest of that seat overall looks good. This side of the console, nice and clean. Typical little scuffs here and there. You do have a scratch across the dash right there that's pretty deep. I know these are notorious for separating. Now you do have some sun damage on this part, but they have a really dark tinted windshield, and that's probably helped preserve that. And you do have some little stains, but for the most part, that upper side of the dash looks really good. These are notorious for lifting really bad. Sunroof looks nice. I mean, this side is really clean. Here on the back right door panel, upper section looks good. Carbon's nice and clean. You do have a gash right there. Overall in great condition though. Floor mats look good. Here in the seats, typical wrinkles. For the most part, that is really, really clean. Got your wrinkles here in the middle as well. A couple little scuffs and scratches on the back of this, but it is heated with 2 USB ports and a 115 volt outlet. Massive panoramic sunroof here. Here on the back left door panel, upper section looks good. Carbon is in great condition. The rest of that panel looks good. The window tint is kind of chewed up on the top side. Looking at that, looks good. Looks like this is kind of popping out. So those clips must be busted. Overall, seats in great condition. Leather looks good. See some typical scuffs and wear here. Rest looks really nice though. All right, checking out the back here. You do have some gashes here and some scuffs on that plastic, but for the most part, that's in great condition. Super dark tint, looks really good. Checking out the engine bay here, you got the AFE carbon intake. Track series, looks good. Just gonna scan through some of this. Looks good. Here on the underhood liner, overall in great condition.